Hello darlings, I hope you've been well. This video is going to be about therapy when you don't have actual therapy. I am someone who needs therapy and not someone who should be giving therapy. It's hard to access. I can't access it at the moment. Here are some things that help me. There's this worksheet book which I recommend you having a copy of it. I found these free PDF like downloadable versions. Beautiful. The BPD survival guide. It has everything you need to know about BPD, but it's more about how you live with BPD, not like how other people need to survive you. I'll link it below. You can kind of teach it to yourself. I've got a whole playlist on DBT therapy. Even if you don't have BPD, can really help with eating disorder treatment. Like any human who struggles with mental health, DBT therapy might be for you. There's actually some DBT deck cards that you can buy. Helplines are a massive thing. When you're learning crisis survival tips, it's better to learn them when you're not in the crisis. There's actually been loads of videos on crisis survival. Obviously self-care doesn't cure suicidal thoughts and stuff, but self-care is a massive part of healing in my opinion. And it's not all bath bombs and face masks. Sometimes it's like forcing yourself to brush your teeth every day when you're really depressed, forcing yourself to shower and eat food, making sure you have enough sleep, self-soothing with the 5 senses, Pinterest, and like just organising boards. Also eBay, I love eBay, but sometimes I impulsively bid on stuff that I end up winning and then I don't want to buy them. Let yourself cry, but don't like hold on to the emotion. Journal, get creative. Learning how to manage your mood is a big one. Try and distance myself from the mood I'm feeling. Like I'd hold on to it because I wanted to feel validated. I didn't want to be sad for no reason. There's ways that you can validate your emotions without clinging onto them. Don't push it away either. Ride the wave, because the moods are not your core being. Just want to quickly put up on the screen some YouTube channels that help me, whether it be eating disorder recovery, BPD recovery, depression content. These mental health YouTubers are really helpful, and I don't think consuming loads of mental health content is actually helpful. I'd love it if you like gave your tips on what you do when you're having like a crisis moment, your favourite distractions, your favourite TV shows. Doing something good for someone else or doing something good for yourself is a really good way to get yourself out of a bad mood. Keeping your space clean, keeping your mind clean. What helps me the most is probably distractions. The society we would live in would be evolved if everyone could have therapy for free. This video was really shit. I hope you got something out of it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a good rest of the week. Bye.